Good morning, fellow Forex traders. It's Friday. Finally made it to Friday. December the 1st. End of December. Getting toward the end of the year. Hard to believe. In a fast year. Welcome to everybody. Welcome to new subscribers. Thank you for doing that. Appreciate that very much. Really do. For those of you who are new here, my name's Terry. I do Forex swing trading. Swing trading is, there may not be a trade every day. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. Just have to be patient and wait for the setups. But I don't take 8 to 10 pips like most traders on YouTube do. I wait for the move, and then I sit with the move, like here to here. So that's definitely not going to be 8 to 10 pips. You're talking about a couple of hundred. Have to sit in it for a couple of days, but it's worth it because you don't have to find another trade. You just move your stops after you take initial profit. And if you're new to the channel, when the videos come out, if you'd hit the subscribe button, and you're also going to have to click on the notify me button, and then YouTube will send you a message notifying you when I have a new video. I'm also looking at going back to doing live streaming. I did it for about 5 weeks with no response, and that was after paying for some marketing to be able to get started. And got tired of hearing myself talk with just to myself, so I closed it down. But if I get a good enough response from others who are willing to come into it, then I'm looking to start it back free of charge, giving them my own time, because my time is valuable just like yours is. But without the response, there won't be. But I will continue doing videos. And we're going to start with the pound dollar. It's in a sell, so there's not really anything to do right now till it gets up into here to where there could be a potential sale. And that's on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is in a sell too, so both of those are in agreement right now. But like I said, it's too far. The risk is too great for that sell. So nothing to do on the pound dollar. The Aussie dollar 4 hour is up to where the sell is. But that's a strong candle. Indication is that could turn and just blow right through it. It is a low risk trade right now on the Aussie dollar. If you wanted to take the sell, the 1 hour is probably showing the same thing. Yes, it is. It's up there, which I figured. I told y'all earlier this week that when it made this wick, that's going to get filled in at some point, and there could be a sale. But this looks like a pretty strong. See, there's a gap right here, so that's got to get it filled in at some point. But this may go higher, make a new high, and then come down and fill it in. So if you wanted to take the sale, that's your stop, the high of that candle right there. Because if it takes it out, it's going higher. So it's a low risk sell because that high is 76. We're trading at 71, so it's about an $8 risk right now if you got in. That's all you're risking is $8. Like I said, if it takes that out, it's going higher. That's on the Aussie dollar. The pound CAD is in a buy now. It's made a strong buy. I don't think I got filled on that one. I'm pretty sure I didn't. No, I didn't, because it ran away. So I have to wait for it to come back. See, it has run away. I'm looking for it to come back down into here, and then I'll look for a buy on the pound CAD. The pound yen is in a buy too. It's just not really going anywhere. Ooh. Just not really going anywhere. On the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, it's in a sale, so those aren't in agreement yet. So if there is a buy coming up, then it could just be a retrace before it sells off again. So nothing to do on the pound yen unless you wanted to take one. That's your stop. If you took it right now, 86.17, and it's trading at 35.18. $22 risk right now if you got in. So that low is your candle low. That's where you have to get in. So what we got here next is the Euro New Zealand. It's made a 1 hour buy signal. The 4 hour is also making, but it has already made a buy signal. So both of those are now in agreement on the buy side for the Euro New Zealand. So what do we got here? That was on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand is showing the same thing. That's the 4 hour, so it's in a buy. See what the 1 hour look like. They should be in agreement. This they are. So both of those have a buy. That low 70.29 and it's at 76. So that poke down was your buy opportunity. I must not have got low enough. Oh, it didn't. Rats. I just missed that by 2.5 pips getting in. So I may get in that right now long, and that's going to be my stop right there. If it takes that out, it's going lower. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in the Pound New Zealand long, and the risk will be 37.40. So I'm willing to do that. $40 risk on the Pound New Zealand. So the New Zealand yen is made a sell on the 4 hour. Should have one on the 1 hour. Yes, on the 1 hour as well. So both of those in agreement on the sell side of the New Zealand yen. Euro Aussie is making a 1 hour buy signal. It has still got 50 minutes, so there's nothing to do on that. And the 4 hour doing the same thing. Now that candle won't end until 5 o'clock, so it's over almost 4 hours. So there's nothing to do on the Euro Aussie. Nothing to do on it. Euro CAD's made a 1 hour buy signal. Should have got into that one. Yes. Nope, not this one. Not in the Euro CAD. It was a pound. The Euro CAD not in yet. That's the 1 hour. There is a buy there. 4 hour, there is a buy there. So both of those are in agreement on the Euro CAD long. Pound Aussie has made a 1 hour buy signal. I am in it. Long. The 4 hour has not made one yet, so they're not in agreement, but this could be a retrace because of that candle. And that was a pretty big down move. But I got a low risk buy on the Pound Aussie. $9, $9.50 actually is all I'm risking. $9.50. So I'm willing to take that on the Aussie dollar. I mean the pound dollar. Sorry about that. And let's see, the CAD yen 4 hour is in kind of no man's land. Is in no man's land on the 4 hour. The 1 hour is in a sell. So it's ran away. Nothing you can do when it does that. You have to wait for a retracement back up in here to sell. So nothing to do on the CAD yen. Nothing. The Euro yen is making a 1 hour buy signal. That won't end for 49 more minutes. It's making one on the 4 hours as 4 hour sell. It's still got almost 4 hours. So there's nothing to do on the Euro yen yet. Nothing to do. The Aussie yen is in a buy. It's kind of in no man's land in the middle of the trade. So nothing to do here. I was able to get in that yesterday morning, and following my stop, I've already took off half, moved the stop up. That's where it's at right now from down here. So I'm just waiting for it to continue. I need it to make another push up where I can move the stop up to there, or it's going to probably get stopped out. But it'll make money anyway because it was in down here. So when you get in the trade, you've taken off half your position, which I have. Takes all the stress away. No stress. You're making money and you realize that now you're just moving your stops. The 4-hour Aussie yen is in the same thing. It's showing a sell. There was just sell. And it's made another retracement up. So that's what I'm saying. I'm hoping it's going to go higher. Or otherwise, if it comes down and following the trend, then it's going to get stopped out. But it'll get stopped out with money. Just like the first half has already made money. So that's the Aussie yen. That's it for today. Hope everybody has a good weekend. This will be recorded. It will be posted in about 30 minutes or less. Hope everybody's had a good trading week. And hope everybody has a great weekend. And I'll be back Monday. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to go to my YouTube channel, FX Starfleet. That's all one word. And put the comments as a comment section underneath the video on the page. And you're welcome to put it in there, and I'll get back to you just as quick as I possibly can. What's the only time I can't is when if you're overseas and I'm sleeping while you're up, then it will be when I get up several hours later. So just don't think that I'm ignoring you. It's just the time zone difference is all it is. So I hope everybody has a good rest of the day and a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday with another video of trading. You can see what my trading strategy is right there in a nutshell. My arrows, these have to show up. That's the first key, the most important key. If that don't show up, I can't do anything. It has to show up. If it don't, I don't do nothing. But when it shows up, then I watch for this. Hopefully a runaway, get in here a low risk trade when it comes back, which is right there, which is why I'm in the trade right now with a $10 risk, $9.50 risk on that trade, and I'm up in it, so I'm good. So we'll see you guys on Monday.